Smart Children Creative Learning. Jokes for kids, fruits and vegetables. What do you call a sad fruit? A blueberry. What kind of apple isn't an apple? A pineapple. What do you call a kind potato? A sweet potato. What fruit do sheep love? Bananas. What fruit do ghosts eat? Blueberries. Why was the mushroom invited to the party? Because he was a fun guy. What fruit do you give to a sick friend? A lemonade. What fruit do twins love? Pears. How do you fix a broken tomato? With tomato paste. Why was the strawberry late for school? Because it got stuck in a traffic jam. Why did the lemon stop halfway across the street? It ran out of juice. What do you call a lazy potato? A couch potato. What do you call a potato wearing glasses? A spectator. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun and educational videos on Smart Children Creative Learning. Bye-bye.